Can a DUI be expunged?
It can. So after, it's very specific, and in fact, DWI has its own expungement, separate and apart from other crimes. And there's specific criteria that must be met. And so when someone calls our office, we kind of do a screening to make sure that that person qualifies for an expungement. The number one rule in determining whether or not somebody is eligible, it's got to be 10 years old from disposition, meaning the plea of guilty and probation. So 10 years old and one and only one offense, meaning we get calls, someone says, hey, I have 3, and they're trying to hurry up before the 4th one is filed. That cannot be expunged. So again, the general rule is one offense, 10 years old.
Are there different penalties for first-time offenders and repeat offenders?
Yes, there are varying degree of penalties. A first offense DWI is a B misdemeanor. A second becomes an A. Again, it depends on the time between them, but typically. And then by your third, you're in felony territory. You're looking at an E felony, and then 4th, a D. So it goes from persistent to a D, which is aggravated, to a C, which is chronic, C felony, to a B felony, which is habitual, which is only second to an A. So, yes, I mean, the varying ranges of punishment, fines, court costs, ramifications on your driver's license, yes, vary dramatically between a first offense and, say, a 4th offense.
And they rise dramatically.
And as you go up, when you get
mandatory
into felony,
shock time.
Correct. That's exactly what I was going to say. Mandatory jail time on some of these.
Wow.
Once you get
They're
into
non-negotiable. I mean, it's by statute. Must serve 30 days.
Wow.
Sometimes in lieu, you can do 240 hours community service, et cetera, but there becomes mandatory prison time and or treatment within the prison system, Missouri Department of Corrections.